Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is taking care of themselves. You know guys what is going on in the world, and we have to take care of ourselves, of our loved ones, the people around us. We have to give solidarity to what is going on in the world now. So my unboxing, it's direct from the box. And so you're going to see how I'm going to do it, to open everything, and we'll see what is inside. I don't have a bag to show you like, oh, this is the bag, and so nothing like that. It's a box. So guys, you're going to see the box. And guys, I have here is Prosecco. I'm drinking Prosecco. It's an Italian kind of champagne. That's what I'm drinking. And with this situation, we have to take every moment and make it happen. We have to enjoy, and for me as a person who is a mother, stay-at-home mom, I make every day special, and every day is something different, or it can be the same. I drink my wine, can be red wine or white wine every day. But we have to make it happen. It's not about going out every weekend or like that, but we have to make something, out of this situation. I know I'm missing my restaurant time to go and drink coffee in a restaurant and like this with the kids. But at this moment, we have to take care of ourselves. Cheers, guys. Yes, so let me show you my unboxing and see what it inside. And then I'll try to show you also something else. So let's start now, guys. So this is the box here. And let me bring the box. This is the box, you can see. I'm trying to stand. So, and I hope guys you can see my unboxing, and let's see what is inside here. I have to cut here. Hope you guys you can see. So, okay. So this is the thing, guys. You can have a look. Okay. And then, in case I have to return, everything is here for returning. And so let me try to put here. You can see all these things, And let's guys see what I bought. So you can have a look. Yes, I have like now how many pairs? I have I think 5 pairs, and then this is my 6th. Yes. So let's see what is inside. I'll show you one day all my Valentino Garavani. I'll show you guys all my shoes. I love this brand. You never go wrong. That's a thing. I am a fan of Christian Louboutin, but it's really difficult to find my size. I have big wide foot. Yes, so it's a big problem. I only have the simple pumps from Christian Louboutin. So guys, let's start. So you can see all is in here. And let me stand. Okay, so let's see what we have here, guys. So guys, adding collection and collections and collections to my collections. Yes, let me put it up. So guys, you can see my Valentino. You can see my Valentino here. You can see them. You can see them. You can see them. Yes, guys. So that's my unboxing for the month of March, and hope you guys you enjoyed this simple unboxing, and I'll show you how many Valentino Garavani I have. I'll show you guys. It's one of my favorite brands, shoe brands, so I'll show you. Then you are going to see that, oh my goodness, this girl, she has so many of these. Cheers, guys. I'm shopaholic in terms of shoes. I know there are some people who have more shoes than me. I had one time about more than 70 pairs of shoes, and then I had to sell them. Some I was not wearing them, you know. Even now I have like some pairs. I have them like 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, and I've never even put on, you know. So guys, I'm happy. I really wanted to add this color to my collection. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to take care of your loved one, take care of your neighbors. Let's have solidarity, and all will be okay. We have to stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye.